Did you know that Geely is one of the largest automotive manufacturers in China, and has been investing heavily in electric vehicle technology, aiming to produce millions of electric cars by 2025? Geely Auto has long been a leader in automotive innovation, consistently demonstrating a commitment to pioneering the future of car manufacturing. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving technologies, Geely is redefining what's possible in the industry. With a clear focus on creating a more sustainable and connected transportation system, the company continues to lead the charge toward a greener future. For decades, the car manufacturing process remained largely unchanged, with incremental improvements in safety and infotainment. However, Geely has disrupted the status quo by embracing cutting-edge technologies and innovative practices. This bold approach is rewriting the rules for the entire automotive industry. Currently, Geely is at the forefront of designing and building the cars of tomorrow. With a strategic focus on electrification, digitalization, and sustainability, they're crafting a new generation of vehicles that prioritize both environmental stewardship and driver satisfaction. It's a transformative time for the automotive world, and Geely's forward-thinking approach positions them as a key player in shaping its future. The automotive industry faces significant challenges today. Sustainability is a top priority, with governments enforcing stricter emissions regulations and consumers demanding eco-friendly options. Simultaneously, production costs are rising, and the transition to electric vehicles requires a complete overhaul of manufacturing processes. Despite these hurdles, Geely is tackling these challenges head-on. Reducing emissions while maintaining performance and style is a delicate balancing act, but Geely is achieving this through heavy investment in electric vehicle technology and sustainable manufacturing practices. They are minimizing their environmental footprint without compromising on quality or innovation. Moreover, Geely is addressing rising production costs by streamlining operations and reducing waste. These efficiency gains allow them to remain competitive without sacrificing the quality of their vehicles. The transition to electric vehicles poses additional challenges, requiring the development of advanced battery systems, motors, and other critical components. Through strategic partnerships and investments, Geely is accelerating progress in these areas and leading the way in EV innovation. Building electric vehicles also comes with unique complexities, such as sourcing rare earth materials and designing efficient battery management systems. Geely leverages its expertise to overcome these hurdles, creating vehicles that are both sustainable and highly desirable. Their collaborative approach, partnering with startups and technology leaders, is driving innovation across the industry and paving the way for groundbreaking advancements. One of Geely's standout achievements is the launch of the revolutionary Geometry electric vehicle. With advanced battery technology and a sleek, aerodynamic design, this model exemplifies Geely's ability to combine sustainability with cutting-edge performance. Beyond individual models, Geely's integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and 5G connectivity into manufacturing processes highlights their commitment to smarter and safer vehicles. Automation is another area where Geely excels. By incorporating robotics and machine learning algorithms, they've enhanced manufacturing precision and efficiency, setting new standards for the industry. At the same time, their green manufacturing practices and partnerships with environmentally responsible suppliers underscore their dedication to sustainability. Looking ahead, Geely's innovations are not limited to their own operations. By investing in startups and collaborating with other companies, they are fostering a culture of progress that benefits the entire automotive ecosystem. This visionary strategy ensures that Geely remains at the forefront of the industry while contributing to a more sustainable and connected future. As Geely continues to address the toughest challenges in car manufacturing, they're paving the way for long-term success and redefining transportation for generations to come. Their journey serves as a powerful example of how innovation, collaboration, and sustainability can shape a brighter future. What do you think the future of car manufacturing holds? Share your thoughts and join the conversation about the latest trends in automotive technology.